So I created this AI agent which allows you to add product reviews, but I cheated. Let me just walk you through what I've done exactly so you can understand what's going on. For those who are new to AI agents and AI automations, let's just take a step back and understand what AI agents are before we then move on to what I've done, how I created the AI agent, and how did I cheat in a way that allows even new people or inexperienced people, non-technical people, to start using AI agents, creating AI agents as well. So what are AI agents? I've asked ChatGPT to explain here as if I'm 9 years old. Hopefully this is an explanation that works for everyone. Let's go. So an AI agent is like a super smart helper robot in your computer. It's a digital helper that thinks about what it needs to do, decides how to do it, and learns from what happens next. It's not just following orders, it's figuring things out like a tiny brain. So not necessarily like a large language model like ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini. It actually goes and performs a certain set amount of tasks. It makes decisions independently based on some initial rules that you've set and some tools that you've made available to it. Who uses AI agents? Lots of people. It could be YouTubers, for example, to write video scripts, edit and reply to comments. Shopify store owners, so e-commerce, finding trending products, writing ads, talking to customers. Gamers. Ever played against a smart computer opponent that learns how you play? Could be an AI agent. Busy adults to help you book meetings, reply to emails and so forth. Doctors. Some doctors use AI agents to look at x-rays and help them spot sicknesses. So as you can see, the applications are widespread and the use cases. This is what they're for, and I'm going to show you an example quickly of what they do. Here's the first example as illustrated here by ChatGPT. So imagine you have a smart buddy on your iPad called Homework Hero. You say, I have a science project about volcanoes. It doesn't just Google stuff. It finds videos, summarizes them, gives you fun facts, and then it helps you turn all of that into a cool poster. And if something's confusing, it explains it like a teacher would. That's an AI agent. Another example, a TikTok shop agent. Your older brother sells fidget toys on TikTok shop. He's got an AI agent called Fidget Finder. It watches which fidget toys are going viral, sends him a message saying post a video like this now, even writes a TikTok caption with emojis. That's not just automation, that's the AI agent thinking and acting on its own compared to like regular automation. Regular automation is like basically a vending machine. You press a button, it does the same thing every single time. Whereas an AI agent is like a personal assistant that notices you're tired, brings your favorite snack and tells you to take a break. It learns and adapts. So it's a slightly scarier version of AI. We're finding it useful in fast tracking the way that we work and helping us get to our goals faster. So the one that I've done here is an AI agent which allows you to create Amazon product descriptions. You can use it if you're selling on Amazon, for example, to fast track you creating descriptions. You could be using it if you're someone that does YouTube videos that review Amazon products, so you can get people to click your affiliate link and make profit that way. You could be a blogger and you add Amazon links and review products on your blog, or you could be the shop itself that sells the product and you are working with people to review these products and you want to just give them a sample of what you'd like the review to kind of look like, what topics you'd like it to cover. You could also expand the use case and apply it to TikTok shop. It could be a TikTok shop owner, and you can basically use the same automation, the same AI agent as well. And by the way, once you create these AI agents with SmythOS, which is the tool that I'm using here, you can also white label them and sell them. So you could be an entrepreneur looking for an app that you can sell that performs this specific task. That's another additional use case as well. How did we get here? I've gone to SmythOS. If you click and join SmythOS or trial SmythOS out for free using my link, you'll get $20 worth of free credit if you decide that you want to upgrade and try one of their plans. Using a similar link to that, I've gone onto the main dashboard and then I've gone onto templates on the right hand side there. And the beautiful thing about SmythOS is they have these already pre-made templates that you can trial out. It allows you to start creating an AI agent not from scratch, but you can use one of their pre-existing ones, remix it, as you can see these remix buttons here, and allow it to work for you as your own. So it's kind of like copying what's already there, putting it into your workspace, making some changes to it if you'd like to, or just using it as is. That is what I meant by cheating. So the one that I selected is Amazon Product Description Creator. And here we are. I've asked it what it needs. I've asked it what it needs to get me the best result, as I usually do. If you've watched my other videos, I always get the best sort of information to understand what the agent does in order to give, and what it needs from me in order to give me the best possible output. It then told me what it does, give me an Amazon product URL. These additional data points are optional, but if you want to get a better result, give me these as well. Asked me what country the Amazon is from. It also asked me, are there any specific keywords? I've just said Amazon US because it was an Amazon US product. Initially, it wasn't able to retrieve this. So what I've done is I've gone onto the Amazon page here and I got the product description. I got the product share link, the description, share link, about the product section, and I copied it and pasted it here. The amount of work, which literally took about no more than 5 minutes. Here we've got now a detailed review of the Nike high tops that I have selected. Remember, it could be any product. We've got the review there. It's that simple. No code used. I'm not a developer. I'm not that smart, in all honesty. Using natural language to leverage the power of AI, fast track my workflow. And for those of you interested in making money, selling apps and so forth, why not start here? Again, left the link in the description. If you want to try it out, play with it for free, go and check it out.